Transform your Kajabi site into a direct booking powerhouse by embedding your Calen.do calendar in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to your Calen.do account. You'll need to locate the specific calendar you want to embed. Once you've found it, look for the sharing or embed option within its settings. This is usually represented by an icon like a share symbol or a code bracket. Clicking this option will typically reveal an embed code. This code is what allows your calendar to appear on your Kajabi page. Don't worry if it looks like a jumble of text. We're just going to copy it. Now, switch over to your Kajabi account. Go to your website's page editor, where you'll be adding this calendar, whether it's a sales page, a contact page, or a dedicated booking page. Open it for editing. Within the Kajabi page editor, you'll need to add a new section. Look for the Add Section option, and then find the Embed or Code block. This block is designed to display external content, which is exactly what our Calen.do embed code is. Once you've added the embed block to your page, you'll see a field where you can paste in your code. This is where that Calen.do embed code you copied earlier goes. Simply paste it into the provided text area. After pasting the code, you might see a placeholder or a preview of your calendar appear. The next crucial step is to save your changes within the Kajabi editor. Make sure to hit that Save button to apply your modifications. Finally, publish your page. Once published, visit your Kajabi page on the front end, and you should now see your fully functional Calen.do calendar embedded, ready for your clients to book appointments seamlessly directly on your website.